if you want to have the default settings in Microsoft Word, you need to reset those. Therefore, you first close the application, then go to the Windows key and type in Register Editor. Click Yes. Then you navigate to the current user over here. Then go to Software. Then you scroll down to Microsoft. Scroll down all the way till you see Office. Go to version 16 and navigate to Word. So what you do over here, you right click and delete these basic settings. Click Yes, and now it's all done. Close the tab, start Word again. And you can start further with using Word using the default settings.